So this is actually my first conference.
This is my fourth.
This is my first year.
First time ever being anything like this.
And it's absolutely amazing. It's much more than I expected, and I've learned a lot.
At the safety conference, I love all the learning. I like the classes. I got a lot of information on how to get into people's minds and their behavior. Great, I like it.
You get to network, you see a lot of different things, and it's also nice because you can talk to people within the different industries, and a lot of times we can't talk about processes so we don't know each other's process, but we can all talk safety.
Our end goal is to make everybody safe. I'm looking forward to our re-entry. So a lot of us have been remote for the last 2 years, and now we're all going to return. So it's going to be a good thing to see everybody's faces again.
You know, we're all looking to make our companies, help our employees be safer. And so just getting to share that knowledge amongst different companies and peers is really exciting.
I'm looking forward to seeing some of the breakout classes to see what I can take from it and how I can benefit my new career track and my company.
And keep safety at the utmost front. So that's what I'm looking forward to.
Oh, I highly recommend it.
Because it's a great conference and we always have a good time.
It's totally worth the money.
Come. It's very important.
Send your people next year, definitely.
If you want to learn about safety, get here next year. Awesome event, a lot to learn, great instructors, it was just a great conference overall.